I know a handful of companies out there that are diehard with the paper and pen, and that's the way they want to go, but I don't see the future working that way. It was very important for us to have one software that communicated within itself at so many different levels.
It saves so much time for all parties.
At least 30% more accurate than I was before.
It made my life easier, and it makes the estimator's life easier as well.
And speed is, I would say twice as fast.
We're using B2W Track for tracking our jobs, which helps the office and the field connect.
With Estimate and Track, like I said, two different worlds, but they communicate very well.
It allows the guys in the office to see the production that we're doing out in the field, which only betters their estimate. It allows us in the field to see our numbers and see our productions and how can we tweak things to make it more profitable for everyone.
You've now taken the job of somebody taking all this data, consolidating it, and making sense of it. You've now taken that, a system is doing it automatically for you, storing it, categorizing it. Then the idea of bringing in maintain, where we have so much equipment now and it's very easy to lose track of what's going on, when's the last time they've been serviced, sometimes even where they are.
You can set up your day before you even start the day, who's there, what machine's used, and throughout the day you can constantly keep track and putting those numbers in.
So the idea of that being integrated in with Track and being able to see the production of a machine, of what it's doing every day, and then looking at maintain and its historical maintenance cost, it's allowed us to look at certain machines and decide, is this machine worth holding on to? Should we put repair costs into it, or is it time to move on based on the production versus maintenance cost? We have 2 Trimble handheld units with tablets. We run Trimble site work, and then we have 5 pieces of equipment that are wired to use Trimble Earthworks for the 3D guidance on those. We love Trimble. Everything about it works fantastic.
It's definitely turning more technology-based, and it's growing very rapidly.
The night and day difference of our operators being able to see what they're building while they're doing it, instead of having to get out and look at a plan. You save tons of time there. You save time. You don't need to have an extra laborer because your grades are right there in front of you.
I'm not really a technology guy, but as I grew with it and started realizing okay, this is a whole lot easier to track.
I think technology is an inevitable piece that you're going to use in this industry, and I think the more you try to fight it, the harder it's going to be to transition.
There's always something new that we can do with it, and I think that's what drives me with it. I enjoy constantly learning something new, especially in an industry that's constantly evolving and moving towards technology.